Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to make a paper boat. To make a paper boat, we need is a small rectangle sized paper. So I'll fold this in half. Then open the paper. To keep the boat standing, I will put my fingers right here, then leave it, and the paper boat is standing. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like, comment, and share this video. And after you have subscribed, hit the bell so you will get notified for my